Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak fingers. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Choose a tender cut of beef like sirloin or round steak for the best results. Slice your steak into thin strips aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. Finally, prepare your seasoned flour mixture in a shallow dish, ready for breading. Now let's get those steak fingers perfectly coated. First, dip each individual steak strip into an egg wash. This helps the flour adhere. Next, transfer the egg wash strip directly into your seasoned flour mixture. Make sure to coat it thoroughly on all sides, pressing gently to ensure the breading sticks. An even coating is key for that crispy texture. It's time to fry these beauties to crispy perfection. Heat about 2 inches of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your breaded steak fingers into the hot oil, frying them in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your steak fingers are golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the oil. Place them on a wire rack or paper towels to drain any excess oil, ensuring they stay perfectly crisp. For an extra burst of flavor, season them immediately with a pinch of salt and pepper if you like. Serve these delicious steak fingers hot with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.